In the fast-paced world of construction, relying on manual measurements is draining your team's time, energy, and resources. You take hundreds of measurements on-site, only to return to the office and realize the data is incomplete. Unclear sketches and missing structural details lead to confusion during the 3D modeling process. These manual assumptions lead to disastrous clashes during construction, like a hidden concrete beam destroying your vac layout, causing expensive delays and rework. Inevitably, this forces you to make frustrating, time-consuming return trips to the site, just to re-verify a single wall. There is a better way. At Synthesis VDC, we replace the guesswork with advanced mobile LiDAR technology. We walk your site and instantly capture the physical reality, converting chaotic spaces into a millimeter-accurate digital point cloud. We don't just capture walls. We map highly complex structural grids and dense MEP systems with absolute clarity, bringing the hidden truth of the building to light. From the pre-demolition phase to the stripped-out shell, we document the exact evolution of your site, giving you a flawless structural record to build upon. With Scan-to-BIM, every stakeholder works from the same accurate reality. Architects, engineers, and contractors collaborate confidently with complete site clarity and coordinated project data. Your entire project is available at your fingertips. Take precise measurements, verify conditions, and make informed decisions directly from the digital model.